Hello, how there you are. Welcome to Fortitude Shammah Crafts. Today we'll be learning how to make this beautiful fascinator. It's been a while. You are all welcome. I appreciate all our subscribers. God bless you all. And if you are watching the video for the first time, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Turn on your notification button so that you can be getting updates. Like, comment, and share. Happy watching. Let's start. These are the materials we are going to use for this fascinator. This is 6 inches crinoline. You are going to fold it into two, then iron it. The measurement is 17 inches. You are going to need two of it to make your bow. Then the other one, the small one, is 9 inches. You are going to fold it into two as well. It's 9 inches. You will need your scissors, UHU gum, flour, Alice band, thread and needle, then the cap, the felt cap. So it's ready made. So these are all the material we are going to use for this. So you are going to you fold your crinoline into two, iron it. Then I'm working on the small one first. Put your UHU gum to hold the edge from losing. You see the way I'm doing it? Just rub it to hold the edge from losing. Do the other side as well, and I will do the same thing to the edge of the longer one. And at the same time, you can leave it, just tie the edge with your thread and needle. So fold the two edges together in this form as I'm doing it. Hold it together to form a hole. Then your thread and needle, tie it round it to hold it down, to hold the two edges down. So you are going to tie it down tightly so that it won't lose. I'm cutting the thread, it's too long for me. Just watch the way I'm tying it. Make sure your tying is firmly. Cut off the excess thread. That is all about the small design that will be on top of the bow. So the next thing is to gather the edges, the two edges, hold it together. Make sure you hold it firmly. Gather it, then tie it. You can tie it one after the other. And if you can do it this way, if you can do it this way, it's still okay. So you gather the upper part to form your bow. I'm not cutting the thread, I just cut the small thread that shows up. So I'm not cutting the longer thread. So gather the top together with the down part, tie it together at the center with your thread and needle to form a bow. Then use your pass your needle through it and knot it firmly. These are the two bows. Cross it on each other to form your design. Then tie it with your thread and needle. So after tying it, place your small design on top of it. Let the hole face the front. If you want your hole to face the back, no problem. So this one particular design, the hole is facing front. So you tie it all together firmly. So this is how it's going to look like. If your thread is longer, there is no need of cutting. You will still need it to fix your Alice band together with the cap. I'm cutting the excess. So this is the design on top of it. So take your cap, place it where you want. It can be at the back, it can be at this side, but this particular one will be at the center of the cap. At the center of the cap. Then use your thread and needle to hold it down, to tack it down. So I'm going to attach my Alice band. And after using my thread and needle to hold my Alice band, I will still put my hot gum to make it firm. So you take little fabric pass your needle through the little fabric on the Alice band. Then on the other side, just look at the way I'm doing it. On the other side as well, I will take the little fabric on the Alice band before I pass my needle through the cap. I'm trying to place it properly. So after tacking your Alice band, that is all. The next thing is to get a little fabric. We are going to attach our flower. Get a little fabric to cover the thread on the Alice band to make your work neat. You can make use of your hot gum or your UHU gum as I'm doing, just to cover the aspect. Get a little fabric. All right. So the next thing is to put our flower. We are going to cover that rough part under the hole. So apply your UHU gum or your hot gum, then use it to cover that aspect to beautify it. Hold it down for a while. That is all about this cap. The cap is beautiful. Can you see it? If you have watched to this extent and you have not subscribed, you have not done well. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel to support us. Like, comment, and share for others to benefit. Also turn on your notification button so that you can be getting updates. All our returning subscribers, we thank you all. God bless you. Thanks for watching. God bless you and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.